Hey, when your foot hurts, life sucks. And the reason why is everything we do involves the feet. You stand up from a chair, ow, my foot hurts. Every step you take, your foot hurts, okay? And this can really make your quality of life a whole lot worse. But here's the biggest lie about foot pain that I wanna share with you, okay? The biggest lie about foot pain is that this is coming from your muscles. A lot of people think that I just need to work my muscles more. So what do? We put a ball under the foot and we roll it out, or we do some self-massage, and that can help a little bit, but usually it's temporary. And the reason why is because it's not coming from your muscles. You see, we put our feet inside shoes for decades in our life, and all these muscles that are supposed to become the natural springs to our feet, allowing us to jump and bounce through the feet just like this, okay? Those muscles get weak. And when those get weak, our feet aren't the springs they're supposed to be. And you know what happens? If I take these off right here, these fascial bands and all this tissue way deep inside the foot takes over and holds your foot in place. And we end up with things like plantar fasciitis, foot pain, and so many more things that can cause your feet to hurt. But the solution is to strengthen those muscles, restore your feet to the ability to be those shock absorbers that they're supposed to be, okay? And I'm gonna show you a simple way to do it. And the best part about this is, all you need is a piece of paper. Okay, to activate and strengthen these muscles, here's what you're gonna do. Find a place in your house where you have a smooth surface on the floor, like some linoleum, some hardwood, some tile. Place that piece of paper on the floor, just like this, okay? Now what you're gonna do is put your entire foot right over the center of the paper, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is this, I'm gonna try to shorten my foot by scrunching the ball of my foot towards my heel. An easy way to think about this is almost like you're twisting your foot this direction, but don't let the heel move. So watch, it looks like this. I'll often lift my toes, twist my foot, and see if I can scrunch that paper up, just like that. When you get a nice arch in the paper, you'll know you're activating your arch muscles. But here's the real kicker. Can you then grab the ground with your toes without lifting the ball of your foot and maintain that position for a couple seconds? And then let everything go, relax, and do it all over again. Scrunch the paper up, grip the toes against the paper just like this, hold for a few seconds. Remember, don't let the ball lift up. You might feel those muscles activate and then relax, just like this. If you do this every day for at least 1 minute on each side, you'll start to strengthen those muscles and your feet will start to feel a whole lot better. And if you want more moves and stretches to make your feet and your whole body feel better, just click the link in the description of this video.